Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? So today we Summary, a novel by Mohsin Hamid. Whoever wants to see this video lecture, you need to go and watch the characters of More Smoke first, then you will be able to understand it. Okay, so let's move forward to the summary of More Smoke. Daru, first of all, from where the story starts is Daru is in the prison for the crime he never committed, right? Daru, is the protagonist. He is in the prison for the crime he never committed and handed over a letter. This is the first scene from the novel, the first lines of the novel. Next, Daru's perspective. So, what does it mean? Story starts from the Daru's perspective then. So now the Daru will going to tell you the story, will narrate the story. He will be the narrator. A visit to an old friend. I have divided the whole summary for your interest in the small chapters. So you are going to love it. Stay there. A visit to an old friend. Okay. Daru visits his old friend OZZI and is jealous of his successful life and beautiful wife. As I have already mentioned in the previous lecture that they both were childhood friends and OZZI goes to America for international studies, for later studies, and Daru couldn't afford that whole scenario to go abroad and study, so he stays there. So OZZI gets rich. He's already rich because of his corrupt rich father, and he gets the chance to go to New York and studies there and gets back from USA with the beautiful wife and successful lifestyle. So what could be the natural reaction of Daru? He is jealous. Next is Jobless. Who is Jobless? Let's learn. Very next day, Daru gets fired from his job because of his rude behavior to a wealthy customer. Daru is short-tempered. He gets rude to a customer, to a client who is very wealthy and rich, and he loses his job. So he is jobless now. So Daru as a drug dealer. This is very important chapter which changes the life of Daru. After losing his job, he gets more jealous of OZZI, so it adds fuel to fire to his misery and his jealousy, and loses his temper and gets into drug dealing and trade. He gets into drug dealing business. So he gets into crime. He starts doing criminal activities because he has no job right now, he has no money, he is worried, he is suffering, he is depressed. Next is heroin addiction. What is heroin addiction? What I learned in this chapter. He uses to purchase heroin from MURAD BADSHAH. Who is MURAD BADSHAH? I have already told you. He is a rickshaw driver. He is Daru's friend, and he sells drugs and heroin to Daru to sell it to other people. But instead of selling, he sell it to other people, but he also becomes an addict himself. He also starts using heroin because of his depression and miserable life. He attracts toward that addiction, adds fuel to fire, increasing the miseries in the life of Daru. Electricity and AC has gone out, and it's add fuel to fire to his misery. He gets because he has no money to pay the electricity bill, and his electricity and AC has gone out, and it's add fuel. Uh, it adds fuel to fire to his miseries, class difference. After having all of such troubles, as you know, he is having trouble in his life, and he is into drug dealing activity now. Though he was competent in his life, he was genius, as his tutor told once, Julius Superb, that he was a genius student. But he realizes the difference. So later on, he had friends from the elite class. All of his friends were from the elite class, and he was jealous of them and he was feeling inferior. So after losing his job, and he gets into a party, and he realizes the difference between his elite class friends and him, and gets more depressed, and it increases his disappointment and in his life. Marital problem and affair. OZZI and MUMTAZ are having marital issues, and she gets in an affair with Daru. Daru gets into an affair with his childhood friend's wife. How cheap is that, and how self-destructive it could be for a person that you are going into an affair with your friends, with your best friend and childhood friend's wife. Next is hit and run. This chapter is life changing kind of chapter in for the life of Daru. Ozzy hits a young boy on a cycle. Okay, he was going somewhere on his Prado, and he hits a boy on cycle and runs away on a bicycle and runs away. Daru was standing there on the road, and he sees the whole incident, and he takes the boy to hospital, and in the whole situation he becomes a suspect in police eyes that he hit the boy. Finally, Mumtaz and Daru becomes closer and sleeps together. They have sex right now, and it affects Mumtaz's married life and his overall losing respect. He gets beaten by father of who gets beaten. Wherever I use the word he, it means Daru, because he is the narrator, and to his perspective, I'm going to tell you the story. He gets beaten by father of his young client. One of his client purchases heroin from him. He was a young child, and his father gets to know that Daru is selling him drugs. So he somehow or another invites him to his house by his kid, and he beats him for selling drugs to his young child, for corrupting him. So he gets beaten and becomes notorious in society's eyes. Robbery. So this is the time now where he will be a professional criminal now. So he goes to the same bank from where he was fired to rob, and everything goes right, but at the end he shoots an escaping boy and he dies. So at the end of the robbery, a boy was panicked and he was running, and he shoots him. The next day, arrest. So next day police arrest him, not for shooting the boy. So this is the biggest ambiguity most of the reader faces during reading this novel, that whether he is arrested from the boy he shoot. Sorry. Next day for shooting the boy in the bank, or in the suspect of hitting a boy on the car. Actually he was arrested in the suspect of hitting the boy. That boy the OZZI hit. Okay, he wasn't arrested for the boy he shoots in the bank. OZZI and Mumtaz. She leaves him. Who leaves him? Mumtaz leaves OZZI because she starts to hate him because of his corrupt wealth. Because he is corrupt and his heartless mind, that money is everything, I can do everything money, and it is a tradition in Pakistan to be corrupt, because he is not guilty of everything, of his corrupt father, of his corrupt mind. So she starts to dislike him because of those facts, and she leaves him. Investigate. Okay, now Daru gets arrested. He is in the prison cell, and in the next scenario, the OZZI the Mumtaz leaves OZZI, and now she uses her fictitious name Zulfikar Manto because she was a secret journalist. Sorry, wait a minute. So she investigates. She uses her fictitious name and investigates Daru's case, and the research is read by Daru in the prison cell. Here the story ends with incomplete end from Daru's perspective. So this is the end of the story. In Murad BADSHAH, the scene next comes. He saves the share of Daru from robbed money because they robbed the money together. He was loyal to him and expects him to get out soon and enjoy with money in future. So this was the all story. This was the whole story I have discussed right now. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.